Sir, I would like to know what your view is of the events that took place at HDFC Bank last week. If you are examining comments made by the board, comments made by the departing chairperson in further detail than what is available in the public domain, if you are contemplating any action in any kind in terms of investigative action or a line of inquiry or certain prompts to the board of that bank, sort of to shore up governance. And if you are in conversation with the departing chairperson to verify the comments he made in his resignation letter, barring which, will there be any action on the resignation letter that spooked the markets?
I think first of all, I would say that immediately after the board, the primary regulator, RBI, has taken it on board and also issued a press release and also took due decisions in respect of appointment of someone, one of the members of the board as the chair for a certain period. And I believe there will be many other occasions on this because the primary regulator also closely supervises the banks. So the other part I would like to say is independent directors. For independent directors also there is a code for independent directors which is encompassed in Regulation 25 of LODR, also as Schedule 5. Under Schedule 4, Schedule Roman 4 of the Companies Act 2013, it refers to the code for IDs under Schedule I-4, where IDs are required to adhere a certain code of conduct. And IDs have, where they have, in this code, it's written that where the IDs have any concerns about the running of the company or a proposed action, ensure that they are addressed by the board, and to that extent that they are not resolved, insist that their concerns are recorded in the minutes of the board meeting. Also, there is in 11, at point 11, a report concerns about unethical behavior, actual or suspected fraud, or violation of the company's code of conduct or ethics policy. So there is a process which is there, and obviously if there is any concern, then it has to be there in the board meetings and board governance framework, and it can't be just general thing. I think it's very independent directors hold very important position, while they may have also, explicit powers, etc., to question the companies and so on so many fronts, including also in the audit committee, including in the NRC. They are also required to, be also protector of the interest of the minority shareholders and act responsibly.
So if I can follow that up, there is still some confusion among stakeholders on what the chairman's resignation letter said and whether there is significant truth in it when he pointed out to ethical differences. Those words led to a significant share price impact. Is SEBI going to look into discerning whether those words accurately represent events in the board meeting?
Well, I would not like to publicly state anything, but I have really quoted to you the obligations. And obviously, nobody is expected to make any insinuations without actually proper evidence and recording, unless, because this has an impact. If you say that any such comments, given that those comments do have an impact on the minority shareholders' interest. So the independent directors have to be actually also be responsive in terms of whatever they say and record. And we have to see what is there in the governance, in their board
So will you
meetings,
be
etc.
asking